my name is Jennifer Manawis, and in this video, I'll show you the fourth stage of reprocessing reusable medical devices, which is the storage stage. The storage stage ensures that sterilized RMD remains safe and ready for use. Proper documentation, handling, and maintenance contribute to maintaining sterility and patient safety. The PPE we use is a heat-resistant gloves to protect our hands from the heat and to prevent burn. Once the sterilization cycle is complete, the trolley is unloaded. We place the trolley in the cooling place and wait to cool down or until it's ready to be put away in the storage. We store RMDs in a clean, dry, and well-ventilated environment. We also ensure to avoid exposure to direct sunlight, excessive humidity, or extreme temperature. Shelving organized for easy access for all the staff. We handle the instrument correctly to avoid damage. Lift, not drag. First in and first out system are implemented for all the staff. We place in a proper storage condition to prevent contamination. We also ensure all the process instruments are properly labeled. Regular inspection are implemented to ensure the packs remain intact and ready for use. Sterilized packs are stored appropriately to maintain their sterility until needed. When handling reusable medical devices manually, it's crucial to minimize the risk of personal injury. Bend your knees and use your leg muscles when lifting RMDs. Avoid bending at the waist or using back muscles alone, as it can lead to strain on injury. We ensure not to lift something heavy for us, assess the load, and know your limits.